The Delhi government has called an emergency meeting on Thursday to discuss the dire coronavirus situation in the national capital as it grapples with a spurt in cases. As many as 7,486 fresh COVID 19 cases were recorded in Delhi on Wednesday, with 131 new fatalities, the highest single day death count till date. While the total infection tally in the city has been pushed to over 5 lakh, the death toll stands at 7,943. The Arvind Kejriwal-led Aam Aadmi Party government is working to add 660 ICU beds in its hospital in the next few days, and the railways will be providing coaches with 800 beds. Delhi recorded 7,486 fresh COVID-19 cases on Wednesday, taking the infection tally in the city to over 5 lakh, while 131 new fatalities, the highest single-day death count till date, pushed the death toll to 7,943. 4 militants were killed in an encounter with security forces on Thursday near Jammu while they were attempting to travel in a truck to Srinagar. Police said the 4 were killed in a brief gunfight when the truck, moving towards Srinagar, was signaled to stop by security forces at one of the checkpoints near Ban Toll Plaza. Soon after the security personnel started checking the trucks, 4 militants hiding inside in a bunker-like structure opened fire, leading to a fierce gunfight where all were killed. The second such operation this year, 3 militants were killed on January 31 while trying to enter into Kashmir. The Jammu-Srinagar highway has often been used by militants in attempt to carry out a sneak and strike attack. Their modus operandi is to breach boundary at various points to enter Jammu, and after hitching a vehicle by force, they carry out suicide attacks on army or police installations. The CBI cannot step into an investigation without a state government's consent, and the centre cannot extend the agency's jurisdiction to a state without permission either, the Supreme Court has ruled in a petition by officials accused in a corruption case in Uttar Pradesh. As per the law, state consent is must and the centre cannot extend CBI jurisdiction without the state's consent. The law is in tune with the federal structure of the constitution, the Supreme Court ruled on Wednesday. The ruling becomes significant with 8 opposition-ruled states, Rajasthan, Bengal, Jharkhand, Kerala, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Punjab and Mizoram, cancelling consent for CBI probe in their state. Supreme Court Judge A.M. Khanwilkar and B.R. Gawai referred to the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act that regulates the CBI or Central Bureau of Investigation. In a first, a Delhi police officer, Seema Dhaka, has been promoted before time for finding 76 missing children in nearly 3 months under a new incentive scheme. Ms. Dhaka, posted as head constable at Northwest Delhi's Samaipur Badli police station, is the first police personnel in Delhi police who has been given OTP, that is out of turn promotion, for tracing missing children under the incentive scheme. This is what the Delhi police said in a statement. She traced as many as 76 missing children, and 56 of them are below the age of 14 years. These missing children have been traced not only from Delhi but from other states as far as Punjab and West Bengal, the official statement added, underlining Seema Dhaka's sincere and painstaking efforts. A Delhi police fact-finding committee formed to probe the sequence of events and negligence on part of local police in connection with the violence inside Jawaharlal Nehru University campus on January 5 this year has given a clean chit to the force, it is learnt. Around 100 masked persons had gone on a rampage with sticks and rods inside the university for around 4 hours on January 5, leaving 36 students, teachers and staff injured. An FIR was registered and the case was transferred to the crime branch, though no arrest has been made so far. At the time, questions were raised as to why police had remained outside the campus even as violence raged inside. This was in contrast to police action at Jamia Millia Islamia University weeks earlier in December, when police had barged into the campus and allegedly beaten up students inside the library.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.